Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to another Stock Lock Sunday. I have this American lock, and what I tried to do, I wanted to enter the Mad Aussie challenge, which is take a lock that is common to your area, and if first thing you do is you turn it upside down. And then if you pick with your right hand, you're going to be picking with your left hand and tensioning with your right. And you have to pick it in a vise. Well, I never pick in a vise. I don't know which is more challenging, the wrong hand or in the vise. But I went 12 minutes. I couldn't get anywhere with it. But do check out that challenge. I think I just got a message that Butcher's Block has done it. Down Under Monkey has done one, and a few others. So check that out that challenge. It's very cool. And this is week 1. It's going for 7 weeks. And it's Alex Hu is behind this and this madness and fun, definitely. So do check it out. I failed miserably. I'm already a fail at week 1. I might try it again, but we'll see. So I have this American. It's a cool one. It has a brass shackle. There's the bitting on the key. Let's see if I can pick it how I would normally pick it, because I got nowhere wrong-handed upside down in a vise. So first I go through and try and set the serrated pins so I can get to the spools. Get it to drop into a false set so I can feel who wants to be picked. Okay, so I'm in the false set now. So I'm going to start in the back and see where I find counter. It feels like I have counter on 1. Then I eased 1 up. Whoa, look out. And we got it open. So let's see what's inside here. Also, it's been very, very, very hot here. It was 111 yesterday. Hello, come on. Come on, little core. And it cooled down relatively cool to, it's 84 now in the morning. And there's a lot of cool insects out. So stay tuned at the end of this video, because I shot an interesting insect that sometimes I see around here. And the female of the species, while she is copulating with the male, while in the process she eats his head off, which is rather rude. But do I have a shim? I need a shim. Where's my shim holder? There's always a shim on here. But anyway, I found a large one outside this morning, so shot a picture of it. I'll post that at the end. They're very cool. They eat anything bad in your garden, they eat. Okay, it's pin to 5. And everybody needed picking. So it's nice to have them. And I knew they were around because they shed their skins as they grow larger. And this one is a fairly large one. So I've seen the shed skins around. I thought, well, where are they? And so I finally found one, saw one this morning. And I don't know if it's a male or a female, but it's a big one. Ooh, so give a little bit of more close up there, and we'll try to focus. Move that chubster out of the way. So 1 is serrated, 2 is serrated, 3 is too small for serrations, 3 has serrations, and 4 or 5 has serrations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And what do we have up top here? Yeah, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do the challenge. Like I say, I'm myself and the vise. There's a serrated spool in number 1, little copper spring. I just don't pick in a vise. I don't have. I should be able to. Serrated in 2. I think maybe it would help me in some locks, but gosh, I use my vise to hang things off of, and the little troughs to hold things. A serrated spool in 3. Serrated in 4. Oh, look out. And then serrated in 5. Anyway, that's this very cool brass shackled American. There's for you code readers. That's when it was made. It's a Series 105. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like. Leave a comment. Getting close to 500. Oh, I just looked out the window. I must have left the door open. Suki's outside. That's not supposed to happen. I have to go chase her. Anyway, come on, Suk. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.